In this video, you'll learn how to add and edit a text box to personalize your GoDaddy website. First, click the Edit Website button on your dashboard to open the site editor and begin making changes. Next, open the Add section panel and select the Content category, allowing you to browse a range of content layouts for your page. After you choose the content layout that best fits your needs, it will appear on your site for easy customization. Click into the text section you want to edit and add your own words, so you can update the content directly on the page. Now, open the color palette from the formatting toolbar if you'd like to adjust the style and help your text box stand out. Then, select another text block to edit more content as needed, keeping your site's information current. If a section is no longer needed, click on it and confirm deletion, making it easy to keep your website organized. When you want to grow your page, use the Add button to insert new content sections and feel free to remove anything unnecessary. Finally, click Publish to make all your changes live on your public website, instantly sharing your updates. That's how you add and customize a text box in GoDaddy Website Builder.